There are a few quick updates I want to bring to our attention on the Tomarket project, or the Tomarket Airdrop project. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome as usual. The first is, if you go to the airdrop section, okay, that's going to bring you here. Click on this right here, check your airdrop. Okay, got it. And then after that, click on this right here. Okay, this one, very important. If you click on it, it's going to show you the eligibility criteria for receiving the airdrop, which is about to come in 6 days time from now. The first step is to add the Tomarket emoji to your TG name. Okay, go to your Telegram settings and do this. If you've not done it, you are not ready yet. Okay, the next is step 2, reach a minimum of bronze level. Okay, if you've not reached this level, you are also not ready. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what to do to quickly scale up in levels. Okay, keep watching. The next is TGE step 3, connect your wallet. If you've not connected your wallet, what are you waiting for? Now let's talk about the levels. Going to that right there brings me here. As you can see, I am currently at gold 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I need about 37 more to overtake 144,602 more users. Okay, levels determine airdrop amount. Okay, so after the airdrop or after the TGE, most would say, oh yeah, I received dust, it was dust instead of USDT. Okay, but if you are very careful and sensitive to what has been happening, okay, with these airdrops, you would understand that the trend has moved from just tapping to investing. Okay, so for those who invest, it is usually never dust for them. Okay, the X Empire that launched yesterday was dust for many people. Okay, but for many people also, it was not dust. People who got a lot of allocation, they made interesting amount of money in dollars. Okay, I mean, some people made up to $1,000, some people made up to $2,000. Okay, but why were they able to make that much? Because they invested. Okay, so the process nowadays, instead of just saying, oh yeah, it was dust, the process nowadays is, once you've studied the project and you think you can trust it, why not put in some reasonable amount of money to see how much you could make? Okay, so that's what these airdrops have turned into, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so if you click on that right there, it is going to show you the various levels. Okay, the first level is clay, stone, iron, bronze, silver, and gold. Okay, I used to be here, okay, but I bought stars to push my ranking to gold. Okay, and I need to move from gold to platinum. How would I do this? All I need to do is to get stars. Okay, after buying the stars, if you don't know how to use them to level up, all you need to do is to go to this right here. That's gonna bring you to this page. Okay, what you need to do here is to click on this to buy. Okay, for example, let me click on this right here. Okay, I'm gonna spend 20 stars now, so just click on that. All I need to do is to go back to the level up button, that right there. Okay, so click on this, and ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna level me up. Okay, I'm still on good 1. I need 33 more now. Okay, so if you want to buy stars cheap, okay, all you need to do is to go to your Tomarket wallet, go to the browser section. That's gonna bring you here, and once you're here, look for fragments. Okay, this website right here, click on it. That's gonna bring you here. Click on connect your Tomarket wallet. That's gonna get me connected. Now I can buy Telegram stars from here, and it's pretty simple. Enter your username. The next will be to key in the quantity you want to buy. We'll select from here, click on buy. That's it. When you're done buying, click on this right here to disconnect your wallet. And then of course, you would need some Ton here to be able to buy. If you don't know how to fund your Tomarket with Ton, I've made a number of videos on this. Okay, check my playlist section. You're gonna see videos on how you can buy Ton and how you can fund your wallet with Ton.